Hey, welcome back to Free Software Tips. So today you'll be learning another new helpful trick. So let's jump right to it. So today we are going to fix the plugin in After Effects, which is the Element 3D by Video Copilot, wherein whenever you try to use the effect, it often crashes the whole After Effects application, or it causes some lags or even errors such as Element.aex could not be loaded or an invalid filter. So we're going to try and fix those issues in After Effects by trying different methods, and let's see what's worked best for you. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to check our graphics drivers. So let's go ahead and search on our start menu, device manager, open it up, and then under the display adapters you will be shown your respective graphics drivers that you have on your system, which in case I have two graphics driver installed and being used at the moment on my system, which is the integrated one and the dedicated graphics card, which is the GTX 770, and for my integrated graphics card it's the Intel HD Graphics 530. So you can now just go ahead and search the on the internet the respective drivers for your display adapters. So just be sure to keep those things up to date to avoid errors, since I've experienced that after updating the graphics drivers, the Element 3D worked already. So yeah, that may work for you. So the next thing is by reinstalling the Element 3D. So basically there's no uninstall option on Element 3D after you've installed it. So we're going to go to our file explorer and then type in your address bar percentage program data percentage, and then scroll down until you see the Video Copilot. You can delete everything right here and delete them and go to your After Effects folder and go to plugins, Video Copilot, then delete your Element 3D plugin. You can do that, then go ahead and reinstall your Element 3D. So after that, reactivate your license and see if that works for you. So yeah, if it still doesn't work for you, we can now try to use the OpenCL or update the OpenCL on our system. So you can download this OpenCL for Element 3D, that for our file. I'll put the link on the description. I have put two different OpenCLs which you can try whichever works for you. So basically here is the first one and the second one right here. So I'm just going to extract the both of them on our desktop. So for me, what works this first OpenCL worked pretty well on Element 3D. So we're going to go to our local disk C or any drive wherein your Windows is installed, and go to Windows folder. Scroll down until you see System32 folder. You can now just go ahead and drag and drop the OpenCL file. Don't worry, it's completely safe. Just go ahead and place it, then close that one. Now you can try and see if Element 3D works already. So yeah, that's all, guys. I hope I have managed to help you with your problem with Element 3D, and this is a pretty cool plugin on After Effects. So also don't forget to restart your computer after trying those things. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave your comments and feedbacks down below. Peace out.